Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can get Google Chat on Android phone. Let's get started. The first thing we should do is we have to open Google Play Store. Just tap on Google Play Store and you have to tap on the search button right here and try to search Google Chat. Alright, and after that you can click on install. To install the Google Chat on your Android phone, just tap on install and you have to wait until 100%. Okay guys, and now the Google Chat has been installed on our Android, and we can check it by clicking on this open button right here. Then you can start the chat by clicking on this new chat button. And that's how we can get Google Chat on Android. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.